Hi there. So I bought a pillow to open in front of you. This pillow is not the traditional one that most of us use when we go nighty-night. A lot of pillows are made with down feathers. This pillow that I'm going to show you is made from buckwheat. Weird and very cool. Before I open it, I just want to fill you in a bit about pillows and sleeping. So most of us, when sleeping, have our face pressed up against our pillow. When you sleep with a pillow filled with down feathers, you're exposing yourself to poisons like formaldehyde, dust mites, which are little tiny bugs, gross, and lots of moisture. And you're empowering the global down industry to continue profiting off the slaughter of innocent animals. You might have heard of the term responsible down, meaning they don't live pluck the birds. It's a lie. There is no such thing as humanely profiting off the feathers of birds in mass quantity. Responsible down is a fabulous term made up by a very well-paid marketer hired by the down industry. So don't buy it and don't buy down. Okay, now that we've got that settled, let's take a look at this very cool buckwheat pillow I ordered. Okay, so here's the buckwheat pillow. I took it out of the bag. It came in that really cool bag, and there was some crunchy paper, so I took that off. So it came with a pretty little bow, which is nice. Now, this thing weighs, this is their standard size. I mean, this thing weighs probably at least 3-4 pounds. So it's really chunky. And what I like is it kind of feels like a bean bag, actually, like a heavy bean bag. The cover is organic cotton. Buckwheat pillows are completely organic. There's no toxins in them at all, completely chemical free. And let me find the zipper. Oh yeah. So this side has the zipper. And when you open it, the buckwheat holes are in here. Whoop, it's very messy. That's the first thing I'm noticing. Make sure you do this in a place that you can clean up easily. Look, they kind of look like big coffee grinds. Kind of weird. Messy. I would definitely put a cover on top of this for sure. Now, what's neat about this is if you have allergies, it's a great pillow to have because you don't have the feathers, you don't have the dust, and you don't have the moisture, so you sleep much cooler. So for people that get hot, menopausal women, this is something that's a really good pillow to consider. You can make it fatter. They give you extra buckwheat holes in a big bag, so you can add to them and you can take them out. The first time I ever tried a buckwheat pillow was when I was in Japan, actually. The hotel offered them, and I was like, wow, that's really weird, and I liked it. The first night it was a little weird because of the noise. You hear the sound of it. Some people, it doesn't bother them. For me, it was a little weird at first, but then I got used to it because I like the way the buckwheat conformed to my head because I like a soft pillow. So I think it's neat. I really do. And no